What's going on, guys? It's Elias. Welcome back to another video. So I just finished up fixing once more my Titan attachment Fronthoe, and it's currently around 11 o'clock in the morning, and I have to get started. I have to finish. You see all these stumps I have back here? I have to finish taking out all the stumps I have, because very soon, and this used to be woods just like these, we knocked it all over with the skid steer. I can take you back there and show you, but a garage is going to be built right here. Concrete pad, metal building. We're going to be doing the whole thing on video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy that. We're using my Kubota skid steer for basically everything. I literally got it about 2 years ago. I only put about 40 hours on it because, I use it for plowing snow and moving dirt around. But this is going to be the real test of myself and the skid steer moving along. So for today's video, we're going to go ahead and dig out some of these stumps. Let's go take a look at some of the work I already did over there. So there's the Kubota, looking nice as usual. So I've broken this twice already. It's pretty bent because, in case you guys don't know, I'm an idiot using these things. I'm basically a monkey when it comes to using these things, but that's okay. And this is the hole that I'm making to dig out the stump. So basically it's pretty simple. Just go around the stump, ripping out all the dirt and all of the roots like that. And as soon as I dig out this area here, that stump will come out. I gotta do that for that one, that, I guess, bunch, this one, and I have a few smaller ones that got back here. That shouldn't take too much time at all. Sorry about the wind. But yeah, should be fun, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know how long it's gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna document all of them. I'm likely gonna show you guys finishing this one and then a couple other ones. If you guys are interested in more videos like these, be sure to subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it when you do subscribe. Hit that like button if you like these type of videos. If you don't, well, let me know in the comments. All right, let's get started. Well, suffice it to say, these pins did not pass muster. That was just a little test run to see if it would survive, and obviously they did not survive at all. They folded quite quickly. So I'm gonna have to figure out something else to fix this problem. Now, unfortunately, I can't just use one of these because, as I said, these pins are not like this one, where this one's stuck there. It will not come out unless you push it the other way. This pin can move either way, so you need something to hold it there. I hate this kind of pin. I have this pin on order, but because of supply issues this year, I haven't been able to get it. I'm kind of stuck here, guys. All right, well, I guess tune in next time. Let's see what I can figure out now.